Hello everyone and welcome to the quick Nearpod crash course. Nearpod is a great platform that helps teachers make effective lessons, helps assess students, check for their understanding, and it helps students connect with their classmates. Let's continue as we learn how to use Nearpod. First step is to go onto the search bar and type in nearpod.com. It will take you to the home page for Nearpod. Now you can go ahead and sign in as a teacher. Go ahead and sign up for free if this is your first time, or you can log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in. When you click login, it will take you to your account. If you have not made an account, you would have to do the first steps of signing in with your school credentials, and then you can go ahead and see your Nearpod dashboard. Let's review the Nearpod dashboard. Since I have already been a member of Nearpod for a while now, I have many lessons. Now I have also folders that help me organize these lessons, as you can tell. On the left-hand side, there is My Lessons. That is the storage for all the lessons you make. On the left-hand side, you also see the reports. If you are making an assignment and you would like to see the students' reports, you can go to Quiz. You can click on it and you will be able to see their quiz grades on there. There's also a school library in case your campus has made Nearpods and uploaded them into the school library. You can see that these are the ones that we've made in our campus. And then we have our district library as well. And this is really cool. Here is a feature where you can click on the Nearpod library and you can really type in anything. You can also filter it with grade level, subjects. You can look at the activities or videos as well. So this is really neat. A lot of teachers like to look for lessons on here and different publishers as well, collections. And it's a really good tool if you are if you're barely getting into Nearpod. As we begin, let's go ahead and click on Create Lesson. You have a choice to choose the one from here or at the very top where it says Create Lesson. Once you click on it, it will take you to a brand new Nearpod lesson. You can put your title, and I'll go ahead and put Blended Learning through Nearpod. Now that we have our title, we can begin to add slides. Now you can also upload files if you have your files saved on your computer, your Google Drive, or your clouds. You can also do that. You can insert images or even presentations on here. You can go to add. You can put your slides, any web content, or all these other features that Nearpod offers. The Nearpod 3D is also something the students love to participate with. And then you have your activities. These are quick checks for the students to participate with. You can do your checking for understanding, making sure students are participating, and they're really engaging in the lesson. Now, some of the things they like to use in this part for the activities are the time to climb, the draw it, and of course if you are trying to get a grade out of this and you need a quiz, you can insert one on there too. A lot of the students like to use the collaborative board, which helps them interact with each other, and of course you can incorporate Flipgrid as well. Now we're ready to begin with our slides. Let's go ahead and add content. You can add slide, add content. We're going to add content. It's going to be the slide. And I usually like to put a title page as my first slide. You can insert a picture as well. And we'll just put this one here. And save. You can save. You can also change the theme of your presentation to any of these. Just like that. And of course, you always want to save it before you exit. You can make it a different layer. Now that you've finished creating your lesson, incorporating the different features Nearpod has, you are done and you're ready to save. Click Save and Exit. The next thing is that it takes you back to the dashboard. Once you're ready to share, you can go ahead and put live participation. You can be able to share with your students in a live lesson. You can go ahead and put student paste if you would like to assign it for homework or for an assignment by themselves. You can do this. And if I'm doing a live lesson, I can click on it. Doing a live lesson in class in person. It'll take some time to load depending on the materials you have on there. Now, this is really interesting. You can copy the link and share it. You can email it to students. If you are using Google Classroom, it's a really quick way to post an assignment, post a lesson to your students, or Remind and Microsoft Teams as well. And you can also add a co-teacher link as well. Now, the students also have the option to use the code. If you need to share the link and add the code, it's all right here. And this is very easy for them to access the lesson. And once you are ready to go to the next slide, you just click the next arrow. You want to make sure you put for this device only if you are teaching in class in person in front of an audience and you want to be the one who is facilitating the lesson. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to go make a Nearpod lesson. Good luck.